Dad, I am going to wait for the market to crash before I start investing. Buy at the absolute bottom. Maximum profit.
That strategy is called market timing. And it is why most people who try to invest end up with less money than the people who just invest every month without thinking.
But waiting for the dip makes logical sense. Buy low, sell high. That is the whole thing.
Dollar cost averaging. You invest a fixed amount every single month regardless of price. Market up, you buy less shares. Market down, you automatically buy more.
So when the market drops, I am actually buying more? That sounds backwards.
It sounds backwards. It is actually brilliant. You are programmed to buy more when prices are low automatically. No emotion. No guessing.
I would be doing buy low, sell high on autopilot without even trying.
Every single month. Without needing to know anything about what the market will do next. Study, if you perfectly time the market for 20 years, buying at every bottom, you beat DCA by about 15% total. If you missed just the 10 best days, you lost 50% of returns.
The 10 best days in 20 years. That is 10 days out of 5,000. And missing them cuts returns in half?
Those best days usually happen right in the middle of crashes. When everyone is panicking and selling. The timer misses them because they are out of the market.
So by trying to be clever you end up worse than if you did nothing and just automated it?
Time in the market beats timing the market. Every study says this. Every single one. 2020, market drops 34% in a month. DCA investor keeps investing every month. When it recovers they own twice as many shares at half the old price.
So crashes are actually good for DCA investors?
If you have decades ahead, a crash is a sale. DCA means you automatically buy more on sale. The emotional investor sells. The DCA investor gets rich.
I love a good sale. This is the investing strategy for people who love sales.
Set it up once. Open a brokerage account. Buy a total market index fund. Set automatic monthly purchase on payday. Then never touch it.
It is genuinely that simple?
The simplest strategies win because humans cannot resist ruining complicated ones. Set it, forget it, become wealthy. That is the whole plan. DCA is fixed amount every month no matter what. Beats market timing in almost every study. Automated, boring, and it works.
I am setting up auto invest the day I get my first paycheck. Boring wealth strategy activated.
Boring is how fortunes are built. Exciting is how they are lost.